Welcome back. Now we are going to solve this long answer questions of chapter 4. We have done in previous video this section A B C D E short answer questions तक हमने किया था. Now we are going to write the answers of this long answer questions. Then first question is differentiate between transparent, translucent and opaque objects and classify the following as transparent, translucent or opaque. Then first हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर लेते हैं, मीन्स डेफिनेशन देख लेते हैं ट्रांसलूशन ट्रांसपेरेंट की क्या. देन आंसर इज हियर transparent objects are those that allow light to pass through them completely, while objects that allow light to pass through them partially are translucent, and objects that do not allow light to pass through them are opaque objects. And this is the answer number first, and you have to tell whether the given objects are transparent, translucent or opaque. Butter paper, this is translucent. Ground glass, then this is transparent. Clear glass, transparent. Aluminium sheet, opaque object. Air is also transparent. Water is transparent. And cardboard is opaque object. Now next question is show that sugar and salt are soluble in water while chalk, powder and clay are insoluble in water. Then it's a question of experiment. Then experiments के थ्रू आपको शो करना है कि शुगर और सॉल्ट जो है वो soluble हैं वाटर में, जबकि chalk, powder and clay जो है insoluble in water. Then you have to first do a experiment and then you have to write its result. Then second question is practical term. Then now third question, write three properties each of solid and liquid materials. Then here are solid material. First properties of solid materials, they have definite shape and size, they have definite volume, they have definite mass. These are three properties of solid materials, while liquid materials have three properties that are they have not definite shape and size, they have definite volume, they have definite mass. Means liquids have definite volume, definite mass. Solids also have definite volume and definite mass, but solids have definite shape and size, while liquids do not have definite shape and size. And these are three properties what you can write. Next is, what is the importance of dissolution of oxygen in water? Then answer number 4 is here. Dissolution of oxygen is very important. Of oxygen, dissolution के बीच लिखना, dissolution of oxygen is very important because all the living organisms use this dissolved oxygen in breathing. जो aquatic animals होते हैं, one more thing, all the living aquatic organism आप लिख लेंगे चाहिए तो ज़्यादा सही रहेगा. Then all the living aquatic organism use this dissolved oxygen in breathing. Then again, once again, dissolution of oxygen is very important because all the living aquatic organisms use this dissolved oxygen in breathing. And next question number 5 is distinguish between soluble and insoluble materials. Hard and soft materials, lustrous and non-lustrous materials. Then soluble and insoluble materials को solubility का जो heading है उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा definition. Hard and soft materials का heading है hard materials, वहाँ से मिल जाएगा. lustrous और non-lustrous materials की जो definition है वो आपको वहाँ पर appearance heading में मिलेगी. Then you can write it from there. आसान से तरीका उन headings में. Then you can write from there. Then now let's go towards the give reasons. Then first question here in give reasons is a piece of sponge becomes heavy when dipped in water. Then answer first is here. Give reasons. First answer, because it absorbs water. Means question is, a piece of sponge becomes heavy when dipped in water. Why? Then answer में आपको लिखना because it absorbs water. Second question is, a metal chair kept in sun becomes hot. Why? Then because it receives heat while kept in sun. सूर्य की रोशनी में रखने होने पर ये क्या करता है, हीट को रिसीव करता है, बिकॉज इट रिसीव्स हीट वाइल केप्ट इन सन. And third question, aquatic plants and animals are able to survive in water. How? They breathe through their gills, because वाटर के अंदर होने पर एक जो डिफ़िकल्टी होती है वो ब्रीदिंग की डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, तो मीन्स ब्रीदिंग की डिफ़िकल्टी को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. देन आंसर नंबर थर्ड इज, दे ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर गिल्स एंड यूज डिजॉल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर. वाटर में डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ करके अपने गिल्स से ब्रीथ करके अपने आप को सर्वाइव रखते हैं. दे ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर गिल्स एंड यूज डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन इन वाटर. एंड दिस इज द रीज़न वाई how aquatic plants and animals are able to survive in water. CNG is used as fuel in auto rickshaws or buses or auto vehicles. CNG जो तो auto vehicles में यूज होती है. why? Because CNG is a combustible gas. CNG is a combustible gas, compressed natural gas. जो natural gases होती हैं वही कंप्रेस करके फिल की जाती है, जिसे CNG कहते हैं. देन बिकॉज CNG इज अ कंबस्टिबल गैस, हैंस गिव्स एनर्जी टू ऑल ऑटो व्हीकल्स. जो भी ऑटो व्हीकल्स होते हैं, खुद से चलने वाले व्हीकल्स होते हैं, वो CNG का यूज़ करके एनर्जी लेते हैं, फिर उस एनर्जी से चलते हैं. देन आंसर में लिखना है आपको, बिकॉज CNG इज अ कंबस्टिबल गैस, हैंस गिव्स एनर्जी टू ऑल ऑटो व्हीकल्स. Then this was answer number 4 of the question number 4. Give reasons. And now the exercise of chapter 4 is over. In next video we will cover the next chapter.